Hi guys, happy Thursday. So today we are going to continue on our amazing journey on the amazing Amazon. So, um, real quick, let's go through our slides. This is where I'm going to post the video so that you can watch this. Once again, context clues, reviewing what good readers use, the glossary. I'm also still going to put the BrainPod video on how to use context clues. You can or cannot watch it. It determines if you need to or not. So I shouldn't say can or cannot. It's up to you if you want to watch the video again. As we're reading, I want you to think about this question. What makes the Amazon a unique habitat? And remember, unique means different. So I want you to keep this focus question in your mind as you are reading. So, this week our skill is the author's purpose. So after reading a few pages, what can you conclude? What is the author's purpose of writing this nonfiction text? So, did the author write it to persuade us? Are they persuading us to do something? Are they persuading us to go buy a jungle or go to the Amazon? Did he write this to inform us, to give us information about the Amazon, to, help us understand what type of animals live there? Did the author write this to explain, so that the author writes steps to follow? For example, is he saying like step 1, buy a plane ticket, step 2, get on a boat? Did the author write this to entertain us? Are they entertaining us? Did something funny happen? Did something we enjoy? Or are they describing? So is the author using scenes, or are they telling us about a topic? So which one of these is it? Okay, so do you think he's informing or describing? And honestly, I think he's doing both. The author is informing us, so it's information about a topic, and they are describing the topic. So it actually could be informing and describing. So, for tomorrow, you're going to read pages 15 through 17, and I have, the book will be included. Your teachers will include the book. On here, you are going to list the details that support the author is informing you. And we've decided, so not just informing and describing. Below, list the details that support the author's informing and describing. Okay? So, you will click here and you're going to type your answers. You really only need 3 answers, guys. Okay, 3 things. Okay, so let's go to the text. So, I actually found this very interesting. The darker side. I loved how we learned about the darker side. So this is where we're learning about the understory. So this is the 3rd level of the rainforest. This is where it is below the canopy. So you have the emergent, which is the very top trees, the canopy, and then right underneath you have the understory. So on the understory, this is where the ferns, plants, and young trees grow. It is extremely dark here. You don't want to be in the understory part of the Amazon. This is where the jaguars live in the trees, snakes, the poisonous frogs. This is the scary part, okay? There's snakes wrapped around trees like vines. This is not where we want to be. This is the very scary part. So, this is where the large cats live, the jaguars. I don't know, guys. This is just a very, very scary part. And then you'll have an interview with the jaguar, and he tells you about how he's hunting, how he basically lives. And we'll start page 15 for tomorrow. I think I may have assigned it for today, but that's okay. Okay, guys. Happy Thursday. I would go back and look for text features that tell you, not text features, look for clues, details that tell you why he's informing. I would even go all the way back to everything we've read so far, and I would start on page 1. Okay, so something that I would probably put would be, let's see, most of the world's rainforests, actually, rainforests, they're hot and humid climates. So something I would put would be hot and humid climate. Okay, so that's what I would do. Just type something there, okay? But it has to be from the text. Okay, guys, happy Thursday. Bye.